Hi, this is Sanjay Gangal from GIS Cafe. I'm here with Joseph Marcos, Sales Director at Digitera. Hello, Joseph.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Joseph, how's the show been going for you?
Thank you. It's very interesting. We have a lot of customers and resellers. Especially this year, we are trying to find new reseller partners from all over the world. And it's quite successful so far.
Okay, and what are you showing here at your booth?
We have a mobile GIS application that is compatible with each known mobile GPS receiver like Hashtag, Leica, Trimble and Topcon. The software runs on each of these devices. It is fully compatible, and we have prepared this software for utility sector, forestry, agriculture. It is ready, but it can be customized. That is the difference. The customer doesn't have to live with the software that the company prepares, but he can customize by themselves. He's not linked to a company. He can do it by themselves, and it is really easy to make it that. It's the flexibility, and the customer only have to pay once at the beginning, and not year by year again.
Okay, and can you give us some example of your customers and how they use your products?
Okay. Our major customers come from agriculture and forestry, especially in Hungary. But outside of Hungary, it depends on the expertise of our resellers. In different countries, we work with GIS consultant or hardware reseller companies who have a customer base, and they specialize the software. They customize the software for their needs. For example, we have a golfing application in Switzerland. We have a nature protection project in the UK. We have a forestry tree measurement project in Austria. So it really depends on our partner how the final software looks like.
And are there any new announcements you want to share with us?
I just would like to introduce my partner from the UK. Our reseller, who is an Hashtag reseller, has an experience of 5 years with us, working with us. And he has an experience in some specific sectors. It would be interesting to show how a reseller of us can make money together with our software and hardware and his hardware offer.
Thank you very much, Joseph. Hello, Dave.
Hello there. How are you?
I'm doing great. So, Dave, you are a sales manager at Ormston Technology Limited?
Yes, I am.
And what is your relationship with Digitera?
We are the sole dealer in the UK for Digitera and have sold Digitera software now for about 6 years. We've been very pleased with it. The developments have come through very quickly. They're a company that operate very quickly, which is unusual for software houses. Mm-hmm. And that quick development has ensured that we've secured many sales with the mobile mappers, and especially with the new Mobile Mapper 100, we're expecting more because there's a function in there that gives you a camera, so you can take the photographs as well and add those to the records that Digitera produce.
Can you give us some examples of type of customers you've been able to work with, working with Digitera?
Yes, there's a lot of customers in the UK. There are consulting engineers using Digitera with the mobile mappers. There are tree surgeons, arboriculturists. There are councils. There are archaeologists that are using this. The software can be manufactured to do most applications. And it's very easy to manipulate Digitera to manufacture what the customer requires. North East Fisheries had to have an application that would log the position of the boat, how many lobsters they were collecting, who the crew were, who the captain was, where they'd actually landed, where they'd taken off from. And I did this with Digitera, and I don't believe that any other product would have been able to do that.
That's great. And how does Digitera and I believe you're Optech reseller also, yes, how does this whole solution together work?
It works very well. It works on most of the mobile mappers. The Mobile Mapper 6, the Mobile Mapper CX, the new Mobile Mapper 100, and it will work on the ProMark 100 and the ProMark 200 also. We were achieving very accurate positions last week with Digitera, and it overlaid on the Ordnance Survey maps, absolutely. So the accuracy of the GPS, together with the Digiterra software, produced the positions and the attributes that the client wanted, and this was a major company, and we hope to secure a large order through that.
That's great. Thank you very much, Dave, for coming over and talking to us.
Very much indeed. Thank you.